Welcome to My Bake Escape. In this video, you'll see how I make delicious vegan banana nut bread. For the full recipe, be sure to visit mybakeescape.com. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok at mybakeescape. For this recipe, you will need all-purpose flour, organic brown sugar, toasted walnuts, non-dairy milk, mashed ripe bananas, vegetable oil, baking powder, vanilla extract, baking soda, ground cinnamon, and salt. For this recipe, I'm using Trader Joe's organic brown sugar. If you're not aware, regular sugar is processed using bone char, so if you want to keep the recipe truly vegan, you should use a certified organic brown sugar. The first step is to toast the walnuts. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and spread the walnuts out onto a cookie sheet. You want to bake these for about 7 to 9 minutes. For this recipe, you want to use very ripe bananas. This is the stage that I like to use for these types of recipes. Next step is to make the batter. Start by combining the all-purpose flour with the salt, baking powder, baking soda, ground cinnamon. Give that a mix. The next step is to work on the wet ingredients. You're going to combine the brown sugar with the oil. Mix that together. Add the vanilla extract, followed by the mashed bananas. I forgot to record this next step, but this is the stage where you would add the milk. And then next you're going to incorporate the flour into the wet ingredients. So go ahead and fold the flour into the banana mixture. Once the flour has been incorporated, time to add the walnuts. I like to chop them into smaller pieces. You're going to fold the walnuts into the batter. For this recipe, I used a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. I sprayed very liberally with non-stick cooking spray. Pour the batter into the pan. This next step is optional, but I do like to add a few walnuts to the top of the loaf. Just be careful not to add too many in the center because this will prevent the loaf from rising. Then you're going to bake this in a 350 degree oven for about 45 to 50 minutes. To see if it's done, stick a bamboo skewer in the center. If it comes out clean, it's ready. I like to slide a butter knife carefully along the edges of the loaf pan. This will help release the loaf from the pan. Oh, it looks so good. Look how delicious it turned out. Perfectly baked. Look at all those walnuts. Let this cool for a few minutes, and then you can slice it up and enjoy. Wow, look at how delicious this looks. Look at all those bits of walnuts. This bread turned out amazing. It's very moist and tender and has a perfect sweetness and banana flavor. Oh, you got to try this very soon. Even if you're not vegan, you should give this recipe a try. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a sweet day.